Good morning guys, David Wright here, and I just wanted to make this quick video to talk a little bit about driving in Spain and some rules and regulations that you might not be aware of. This is especially for motorbikes here in Spain. Now, most of you know that a little while ago I did my motorbike test here in Spain. I've been sitting the exams and I've gone through the theory, all in Spanish. You can only do it in Spanish at the moment. And I did finally pass the theory test after the third time. And I've also passed the slalom test and the speed test on the track, part of the bigger motorbike license here. And now I'm having lessons to go out on the road on a bigger bike with an instructor, and my final road test exam is in a couple of weeks time. So this is what I learned on my test yesterday, or on my mock test if you like. The instructor was driving behind me in a car. I'm on the motorbike in front and we've got a headphone set on. He's giving me directions and things like that, just checking my ability out on the road on a bigger bike. So this is a couple of things that I sort of knew in the back of my mind, but years and years of driving here got pretty rusty and picked me up on these faults, and I just thought I'd pass it on to you. So I'm going to go over to the whiteboard to explain exactly what this is about. Okay, so as you can see here, I've got a roundabout and a crossroads. So this is something that happened to me yesterday, and I got a couple of points against me for this because I made a mistake. So this is a general crossroads here in Spain, and we've got traffic coming both ways on the intersection. Here we've got a stop sign here at the crossroads, and we've got a traffic light with a give way sign. Okay, and the light was red, so I stopped at the red traffic light, as you do, and there was nobody crossing, but I stopped here anyway because it's red. And then I pulled up here to the stop sign, and I stopped at the stop sign, and then I continued. There was nothing coming, so I continued round here. First of all, that is wrong. Stop sign, you do not stop at a stop sign in Spain if the light is green. So originally I stopped here because it was red. If it was green, or after it has changed from red to green, you continually go on your way. Turn right, go straight over, or turn left. You do not have to stop at the stop sign, okay? You continue through the stop sign. So do not stop at a stop sign. Sounds crazy, but that is the rules here in Spain. If the light is green, you go. If you come through here and there's traffic flowing because you've taken a long time, then you stop, okay? But if the light is green, or you've stopped at a red light, you go. You do not stop at the stop sign. You continue. The other thing as well, when I was here, I cut across this corner here. That's a fail. You cannot cross the continued line. You must go here and then turn. Okay, so do not cross that line. That is a couple of points there that stopped me from if it was a real test, I would have failed. The other thing is roundabouts. Something I've been doing, I've been driving motorbikes a long time here in Spain, over 20 years. And when you come up to a roundabout here, when I'm going around the roundabout, say I want to turn in this one or this one. I'm not going to take the first one. I'm going to go round the roundabout. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to this one. So you come up to the roundabout, and going around the roundabout, I would signal that I'm going left, because a lot of cars, they come in this lane and they cut across. So they cut across the lanes. It's a bad habit, but you do not signal. If you're taking the first exit, you don't signal until you're on the roundabout before the first turning. If you want to take the second turning, then you come round this lane and you signal once you're past the first turning. You signal to come off. If you're going all the way round the roundabout, you take this lane. Not this one. You take the outside lane and you go all the way round the outside lane, and you signal when you're here to come off. Now, you can go on the inside lane, but you should change lanes to the outside lane on the roundabout. This is a crazy system here in Spain, and it causes a lot of confusion. Many times you're going around the roundabout in the outside lane and you're not going to take this exit, but cars in this lane, they cut across. That's why there's always accidents here in Spain. So I said to my instructor what I do, and he said that's okay, but don't do it on the test. On the test, make sure if you're going around the roundabout, you're in the outside lane, and you signal just before you're going to exit the lane. So if I'm taking this exit, I'm here, I start to signal here, okay? Not here because it's the first one. and go all the way round the roundabout in the outside lane. That is the correct procedure here in Spain. That's why there's so many accidents here in Spain.